To get on with a girl is to drift like a fish in the sea, happy enough to be caught, happy when you're set free, glad to be out of her way, glad to enjoy her to find that she's living we were young, we walked home together, holding each other's hands, saying why that the poet sees written my flesh and blood deep in the oceans of love. Sometimes a gift, but often a curse. If she leaves, there will be no more sorrow. If she stays, there is nothing to fear. Will I despair? Will I be wake up together or break up in tears? 'Cause when we were young, we walk home together, holding each other's hands, saying
Kasunod na lang.